Here we go. Our main event Bahad featured matchup of this evening here in Bontores Court. Team Jobert against Team Negro. Kauban ni Jobert. Ang teammates ni Jobert sila si Itchoy o si Raprap against Team Negro. Elmer and Ray. Itchoy serving. Toko ni Raprap. Pasok. 2-0 na, 2-0. Itchoy serving. Raprap. Answer by Elmer. Raprap. Corner shot. Away. 2-0. Side out. Here comes Negro. Wait. Ono dos. Ono dos. Negro. Para iguales. Jobert. Side out. Boss Eugene. Service yung Raprap. Jobert. Corner. Answered by Ray. Jobert again. Wow. Jobert. Shot. Side out. Ono dos lang yapang atong score. Ono dos. In favor of Team Jobert. Ball position para sa Team Negro. Here comes Ray. Jobert, let it fly. Answer by Ray. Jobert again. Away. Win. Igualis dos. Overhead. Answered by Jobert. Negro bombing the defense. Para. Network. Bola sa Team Jobert. 2 iguales sa itong skora. 2 iguales. Game 1 of the best of 3. Sold out ticket na dire sa Bontores Court. Huge crowd. Servisyo, Mr. Explosive Jobert Marcinas. Jobert again. Sumablay, side out. 2 iguales. Bola sa Team Negro. Servisyo Elmer. Itchoy. Drop shot ni Negro. Hindi umabot, side out. Itchoy serving. Jobert, corner. Answer by Ray. Jobert again. Jobert, nice defense. Itchoy to the rescue. Bang! Quick attack. Coming from Elmer. He is good. Side out. Tool lang yapon. Tool. Win. 3-2. In favor of Team Negro. Negro serving para 4. Relentless attack coming from Team Negro. Defending by Team Jobert. Jobert, let it fly. Negro. Once again, on the attack, out ball. Ang depensa sa Team Jobert. 4-2 na, 2-point lead. Leading ang Team Negro. Away. 5-2. Team Negro pulls away, leaving Team Jobert by 3 points. Jobert, drop shot by Ray. Answer by Raprap. Ray. Sumablay si Ray. Side out. Rap to serve. 2-5 ato skor ha. 2-5. 3 puntos ang lamangan. Jobert going for the kill. Pichoy. Jobert. Elmer again. Want to destroy. Rap struggling. Rap. Nice. Ball game. Point 3-5. Lumalaban ang Team Jobert. Umahabol 3-5. 2 puntos na lang serbisyo. Rap. Pichoy. Drop shot. Kuha pa Pichoy. Spike by Elmer is good. With some din sugal. 5-3. Servisyo Ray. Elmer. Got destroyed si Rap. Giba. Size. Tris, change court. 3 puntos ang labangan. In favor of Team Negro. Game 1 of the best of 3. Jobert striking. Ganda ng tira ni Jobert Marcinas. 3 size. Here comes Mr. Explosive Jobert Marcinas. Negro. Jobert. Wait. 4 size. This game is brought to you by the Crunchy and Tasty Maricel Anthony Chicharon. Pwedeng ulamin sa sarap. O nga kananan ni Maria along SRP Road, Diaz, Kansohong, Talisay City. Iyay ka. Re. Negro. Grabe gikulatang kontra eh. Size 4 ha. Servisyo Ray. Elmer. City 4 na. Servisyo Elmer para 8. Elmer within striking distance. Out ball. City 4 nga to score. Bola sa Team Jobert. Servisyo Ichoy. Rap. Ichoy. At Servere. Elmer. Iyay ka. Negro. Out ball. 5 City. Jobert. Negro drop shot. Gikamang ni Ichoy. Side out. City 5 Servisyo Negro. Jobert. Out ball. Score 8-5. Last 4 na ang Team Negro. Sa game 1. Servisyo Negro. Ichoy, sumablay. 9-5, last 3. Team Jobert must stop the bleeding. Ay ka. Last 2 na. Servisyo Negro. Last ball, 11-5. Negro again. Negro, bombing. Together with Elmer. Yay. Bumawi si Jobert. Ito top. Nice top by Jobert Marcinas. Cinco 11. Servisyo Rap. Ichoy pouring in. Short. 11-5. Ito na, pagkakataon ni Ray para tapusin ang game 1. Buhay pa ang Team Jobert, side out. Inside. Daog na. Midaog ang Team Negro sa game 1. Atangin ninyo ang atong game 2.